Good evening everyone. In this video we will see how to solve this fourth question in week 9. Let me read the question first. A cylinder of 50 mm diameter, 70 mm height, having its axis vertical, is cut by a section plane perpendicular to VP, inclined at 40 degree to HP, intersecting the axis 30 mm above the base. Draw its front view, sectional top view, sectional side view, and the true shape of the section. Okay, so in this question they have given a cylinder and it is resting on HP. They have given the dimensions of the cylinder, and also they mentioned that it is cut by a section plane which is inclined at an angle of 40 degree to HP. At the same time it is intersecting the axis of the cylinder 30 mm above the base. So when you are doing the answer in AutoCAD, first enable top view, then draw the cylinder by giving the dimensions. After completing the cylinder construction, go for section part. So when you are constructing the section part, you have to first change the view to front view because the section plane is inclined at 40 degree to HP. So in front view only we will be able to see the actual shape of the section plane. So we have to select the front view and then we have to construct the section plane. Okay, so let's see how to do that. So I have already done the initial steps in AutoCAD. I'm now selecting the view as top. Go to cylinder option. Okay, so you can see the dimensions: 50 mm diameter, 70 mm height. I'm selecting this as center. Diameter is 50 mm, height is 70 mm. So I have drawn the cylinder. You can see the front view now. This is how it looks in the front view. Okay, now we'll try to construct the section plane. So they have mentioned 40 degree inclination HP, 30 mm above the base. Okay, so I'll just draw a line along the axis line from base for a length of 30 mm. Okay, then along that 30 mm intersection point I will draw a horizontal line. So before that, make sure that ortho is on. So pick the 30 mm intersection point, draw a line for random length. Similarly extend this into the left side also. Okay, now you can use the rotate command. Select the object with this as the base point, an angle 40. You can tilt the section plane like this. Okay, don't forget to delete this line which we have drawn for picking that 30 mm distance from the base. So don't forget to delete that. Okay, now we'll apply the procedures that we have followed in the previous question. So click section plane, select from here to here. Okay, now we again go to section, generate section, select section plane, select this plane, click 3D section, create, click a point somewhere here, x factor 1, y factor also 1, rotation angle 0. Once you are given these values, you can see that somewhere here in the right bottom we have created that. Now extract it to the layout, click view, first set first angle projection, click base from model space, select the object, enter, layout name I am giving as 5, exit, okay, then you can draw the axis. Before axis you just select this top view, sectional front view, and click section full. Select these two endpoints, bring it down, then click depth, click slice and enter. Okay, so all the views we have got. Now we'll just construct the line, reference line. Okay, now in order to hatch this true shape, we have to make it as a closed entity. So for that I'll draw a ellipse, click axis end, randomly click a point, okay. After that you can just click on draw, click hatch option, select this entity. Okay, similarly you can do for the sectional top view, side view, as well as isometric view. Same procedure you can follow. I'm not doing that. Then you can write the text, start point, height is 5, 0, this is x, y, vp, hp, this is true shape. Likewise sectional front view, sectional top view, side view, isometric view, like that you can write. Okay, I'm not doing that. You can just write the views names, then you can just give the dimensions. Click diameter, select this one, okay. Then you can just this distance we want, you can just give it. Okay, other dimensions whatever needed you can give that. Okay, this is how we have to complete the section of solids related to cylinder. Okay, first we have drawn the cylinder in the top view and took the front view. In the front view we have drawn the section plane, and then we have extracted to the layout. Very simple. Okay, thank you.